This is a canvas, and this is one of the tools that I'm going to need to make my clay project today. Um, Another tool I'll need is a paper clip tool, a toothbrush, a clay pencil, which is just a pencil that we use for clay that's with the clay supplies instead of taking one from where the other pencils are. And every table is going to have a cup of water that we'll use to make the pieces stick together, and you'll need a piece of clay. My piece of clay is kind of a funny shape, and so I'm just going to kind of pound it into something a little smoother and softer. There, I like that better. So then I can pound it into a slab. So I'm just going to use my fist and pound. Then I'm going to turn it over and pound it some more. Every time that I lift it off the canvas, that helps it so that it doesn't stick, and that makes it flatten out better. The whole point of my canvas is to keep the clay from sticking to the table. It'll still make the table dirty, which is fine. We'll use a washcloth at the end to clean that up. Okay, now I've got a nice slab and I'm going to cut out my animal, but first I'm going to draw it so that I know where to cut. That is going to be the wing of my duck right there. Anytime I make a mistake, I can just smooth the clay to get rid of that mistake. I'm going to go ahead and cut out my duck. So I'm going to take the paper clip tool and poke it through all the way to the canvas. So when I drag it through, I can feel the canvas as I'm pulling this through. And I'm going to go ahead and go to the edge here. Okay, and I can take this part off. Okay, before I go any further, I'm just going to smooth the edges a little bit. Okay, I want to make the wing stand out. So I'm going to take one of these scraps of clay and I'm going to pound it flat again. I mean, even more. Very nice and thin. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and cut the wing shape out. Okay, that's pretty close, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. Okay. Just going to flatten a little more to widen it. Okay, that fits pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and go with that. Before I put it on, I am going to smooth this out, make it look nice. Every time you cut something out, it just makes it look a little rough. Okay, to stick it on there, I need to score, slip, stick, and seal. So I do that with the toothbrush in the water. The toothbrush draws the little lines, and the water makes the slimy clay, which is the slip. And then I'm going to stick it on. And then to seal it, I'm just going to do a little bit of blending in the clay. Make sure that stays. Smoothing it to make sure it's going to stay. Okay. I'm going to do the ring and the eye. So I'm going to make a little eye. I'm just going to wiggle it to seal it in place. Okay, I want to draw some feathers in to give it a little texture. I am back to show you some things you can do with a pencil. I'm going to use it to make the dot in the middle of the eye, and I think to make my feathers stand out a little more, I'm just going to add some like this. Yeah, I like these feathers better with the pencil mark. And then it's time for me to put my name on the back. So I could use the pencil or I could use the paperclip tool, either one. I'm just going to put my initials. And I'm done.